Today we're looking at the 2018 Mercedes-Benz E-Class and how you can use their system Parktronic to cure your parking woes. Parktronic is easily activated using the switch on the centre console, and at speeds at less than 30 km an hour it uses a form of ultrasound to find a clear parking bay. With the system now armed, you can cruise the car park and the car will automatically find you a space that the car will fit in. Once stationary with your chosen parking space behind you, the system will ask you to reconfirm your desire to park using the scrolling dial in the centre console. Now, using the same dial, you'll have the option to select reverse or forward parking. Finally then, if you haven't already, the system will ask you to select an appropriate gear, which is reverse in this case. Parktronic will then take control of the electronic steering, brake and throttle and start the manoeuvre. The manoeuvre can be overridden by the driver at any point by taking action on the steering wheel, throttle or brake pedals. Parktronic is quite an intuitive system. If it feels that the space is too tight, it will select the drive gear, move itself forward and then reverse for another go. Of course, a car that parks itself will feel quite strange and you'll be constantly resisting the urge to touch the brake pedal. It's just a question of relying on the car to do the right thing. Mercedes-Benz pitch Parktronic as an assistance system and maintain that the driver should always be ready to take control and are ultimately liable for any damages caused to other people's cars or property. Parktronic can also be used for reverse parallel parking. For this to work on right-hand drive cars, the right-hand indicator must be depressed, and as you can see here, the same system applies. Whilst the parallel parking system is very good, it relies on its ability to see the two cars it's parking in between, and unfortunately can't see any obstructions on the curbside, so always have your foot over the brake to protect your alloy wheels. Well, that's about it on Parktronic. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos on the Mercedes-Benz E-Class and other models coming soon, and don't forget to like, follow, share and insert any comments below. Thanks again.